Have you ever wondered how your smart assistant instantly understands the complex sentences you speak? It's not magic, it's a sophisticated field called natural language processing that turns audio waves into digital meaning. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a subfield of computer science that acts as the bridge between human language and machine logic. It treats language as data to analyze structure, meaning, and context in both written text and spoken communication. The first major task NLP performs is speech recognition. This technology takes raw acoustic signals from your voice and converts them into text with high accuracy, allowing machines to process what you are literally saying rather than just recognizing buttons. Modern systems rely on pre-trained deep learning models. These artificial intelligence engines study vast amounts of linguistic data to understand grammar and semantics, enabling them to interpret intent even when you speak informally or use slang. The applications are transforming industries globally, from real-time translation tools breaking down language barriers to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa managing your daily schedule. NLP is reshaping how we interact with technology. Research even goes as deep as the human brain itself. Scientists are now combining these NLP models with intracranial neuronal recordings to discover exactly which neural signals reliably reflect speech production inside our heads. Ultimately, NLP studies language as a complex system to build models that can truly analyze and produce human communication. It turns the chaotic noise of speech into structured information that computers can actually use. Now you know the science behind the magic in your pocket. What future application of speech technology excites you most? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into AI.